What's going on, guys? Today we are actually installing the outer tie rod ends. The ones on this car is actually a 2010 Charger. They are pretty wobbly, pretty bad, so we're swapping them out, and it's pretty simple. I just want to run you guys through it and try to help you guys out in case y'all are having some issues, a little bit of play on y'all's steering. There's the part number to it right there, and see, this is it right here. So this is pretty solid, and the one I just took off the other one, so I'm gonna bring you guys through to the other side. See how much play this one has, and it's pretty wobbly in there. It's really wobbly. So they were having some cracking noises and stuff, so some popping weird noise. So that one's already installed. I'll run you guys to the other side, which it was pretty simple. What I used to actually break that nut, see this where it connects here to here, here to here. The size for this nut right here, it's actually going to be a 21 mil. So that just comes off, breaks off right there, and then this should drop. And then this one, actually what I'm using is a 15/16, so you can use a crescent or anything of that nature just to break it, but you're actually going to have to hold back up here. See how it's got that notch there, so hold back up there and then just break it. See, in my case I already broke it. So and then whenever I take this off, because you're gonna have to get the car realigned no matter what, so just break this off, leave it right there as it is. So you're gonna bring this piece down and it comes off. So now that it comes off, just remove this piece. See, it just undo it all the way, and make sure not to move this nut. This nut is just to know, kind of eyeball where we're gonna bring this outer tie rod, the new one, in all the way up to, and tighten it up there, just to kind of not mess so much with the alignment, and and be able to make it to the alignment place without wearing so much the tires, which it doesn't really matter because it's not gonna mess it up so much unless it's way out of the alignment, you know, of where it was from the get-go. So this whole piece just comes off, and then we'll install the new one in. Now to install the new tie rod end, the outer tie rod end, that's what they call it. Just screw it back on, and we're gonna bottom out. We're gonna bottom out at the nut. All right, that's close enough. Yeah. See, those things are stiff. Just to be able to put it in here. There it is. It's in. Get your nut, put it on, and tighten it up nice and snug. After you got that nut nice and snug, you're gonna come back, hold back up here. You'll see that notch right there. You're gonna hold back up and tighten up the nut that secures that tie rod in place. And actually, you hold back up on this back one because it's the one that wants to spin. So just to prevent it from spinning, come back. There it is. Nice and snug. This is going straight to alignment. And it's that simple. Now you want to, they don't come, these don't come greased up, so you would have to grease them. What I use is this, just a grease gun, but I use this attachment here. It's like a needle, which it's a needle because some parts do not have the nipples in order to just connect the gun straight in. So this needle just punctures through it and just grease it up. You'll notice once it starts getting full, just don't overpack it. It'll start, see? That's what happens when you overpack it. So it'll just come right back out. And there it is, really simple. Just swapping out your outer tie rods. Really, really simple. So that's that, guys. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate y'all for the support, and stay tuned for more videos.